Hello and welcome to Brad Does Shit with Linux, the podcast that was supposed... Oh, fuck, I said a podcast. It's not a podcast, a video cast. I do that all the time, too. And I always do these retakes because I'm like, fuck, I said podcast. Well, this time, we're just going to sail through that because this is a really quick video. And this was the video cast that was supposed to bring you... Boy, I'm really stumble bumming. It was supposed to bring you quick solutions to common problems in under 5 minutes. We haven't managed to do that. So now we just have to say, we do some shit. So none of the videos are really under 5 minutes. Sorry about that. So today is episode 13, and we're going to talk about taking notes. And there's a very popular note-taking application out there that everybody has. It's on their phone. It's on their computer. It's everywhere you want to be. Just like, what is that, American Express? Maybe it was MasterCard. I'm not really sure now. But Evernote does not have an official application for Linux. That's right. There is no, you have to use the web or use your phone or whatever, and that's just bullshit. So we found an application. It's called Whatever, and it's built on the Electron framework, which supposedly is kind of resource intensive, but we'll see, right? I mean, we'll not hurting to download it and check it out. So we're going to download it, install it, and check it out. It's super easy to install, so let's just go ahead and begin. I will put the link to the download page in the notes below. And here's the download page. And what the... Oh, over here. No? So here's the download page. Now, I just went too far. It went too far. This is how I'm prepared. I'm prepared to not be prepared. Come on, no, I don't want to do that again. Okay, there we go. Okay, so here's the download page, and I'll have a link to this. It won't be as difficult as that. So you can see you got a bunch of different options here. As always, we're going for the amd64.deb. That's going to be the simplest and easiest to install. Just go ahead and click on that. It's going to take you to SourceForge, and it's going to download it. And as you can see, it's already downloaded here, so I'm just going to show it to you in the folder. Now, because it's a DEB file, it makes the installation super, super easy. All you have to do is double-click. It's going to open it up in the Software Center. You're just going to click Install. It's going to ask for your password. It's going to ask for your password. There we go. And you're going to put your password in. It's going to finish the installation, and then you'll just be able to run it. That is far and above one of the easiest types of installations you're going to ever do in Linux. I mean, they've made it. Now you can see it says whatever's installed now. So let's just exit out of everything and take a quick look at it. We don't need all this stuff. Okay. So you can do it. You can Alt-M to open up your menu, and type in whatever, and it pops up there. Go ahead and hit enter, and then it's going to come up with a splash screen. All right, so let's log into my account. And it's logging in, and it looks. Oh, well, that's nice. Okay. All right, so that just confirmed my email, so now you all know my other email, not just Brad Does Shit, which I don't really care. You could go ahead and send stuff to it. I don't really use that email anyway. So you can see some articles I was working on over here that I was doing in, I was doing reviews on Netflix movies and some goals and different, documents, and you can see that it appears to work fine. Works some of the links. Evernote is not so great at links anyway, but it seems like it works fairly decently without too many problems. And we can see, sure it works. Okay, so as far as I can tell, and there's our formatting options. Now, before when I was doing this, I went to go do a new note. I noticed, where's those formatting options? They're disappeared, right? I don't see them. So let's just title this Hello. And then we'll go down here. There. Okay, so now it has all the same formatting options you have in the one online, and So it's got bullets. It's got the check marks. You can attach a file. I mean, it seems like, I don't know what this is. Remove formatting. Okay, so it seems like it has the same options that you would get in the official app. Let's check out the search function, and we'll just type in hello, and that worked really good. No problems there. We can share. Okay, that's pretty cool. Notes. So, it appears to me that pretty much everything, it's a little bit slow. I don't recall how good Evernote is anyway, but it looks like it works fairly decently for what it is. All of the functions that you have in the official app are here. So I guess bottom line is you're gonna have to get in it, get all up in the guts and stuff, and use it for a little bit and see how it works. And if it works for you, then great. Now you have an Evernote application for Linux. And let's just try something out here. So typically, if you want to quit a program in Linux, if you want to use the bar, you can, but it leaves it down here on this particular application, down in the taskbar. And I'm pretty sure you don't want that because it'll just use up your resources. So, and it seems like it's a little bit on the slow side loading and everything, which is, I kind of had heard through the grapevine that was the case. But it works. So, it may not work perfectly, but it seems like it works good enough to use. It has usability to it. So I am going to just Control Q it though, and that does not work at all. Okay. Huh. So to exit out of this, so always remember that you can open up the actual window menu with Alt Spacebar, and then we'll just hit C for close. And once again, it left it down in the bar down here, which I don't like that. So let's go ahead and let's click on settings and see if we can't. No, that's just them wanting to make me pay. So we'll just right click on it and quit, and that'll take it out of the bar. But at first glance, it appears like it works pretty good. It's a little bit on the slow side. It could be a little bit of a resource hog. And obviously, when you quit, it doesn't actually quit. It drops it into the bar. So just keep that in mind. You might want to, your computer starts slowing down, you might want to go ahead and close that out. This has been Brad Does Ship, episode 13. I didn't name it, so whatever. Oh, wait, it's whatever. That's really good. I like that. Hey, I made it funny.